Welcome to the Schwarze Hypervac. In this video, we will be showing you how to maintain and operate the Hypervac street sweeper. The Hypervac has a unique operating system to move debris, so it's important that each operator understand how to perform the correct adjustments to suit his or her conditions. First, we're going to point out all the component locations, so you understand the layout of the sweeper. We'll start on the left side of the truck and work our way around to the front right side. Here's the diesel fill location on the left side of the truck. The tank holds approximately 50 gallons of on-road diesel. Also on the left side is the hydraulic fill point and sight gauge. Always make sure you have enough hydraulic fluid before starting the auxiliary engine. The toolbox allows safe storage of tools and spares. The three-way valve that's located on the left side allows you to fill both the front and rear water tank when in the open position. In the closed position, the rear tank will drain to be emptied first. This allows even weight distribution when sweeping heavy materials such as sand or aggregate. The hopper prop allows safe passage under the hopper while raised. Once in position, the operator must lower the hopper until the safety prop fits securely in the cradle. Once it's securely positioned, an indicator light will appear on the control panel screen. In front of the rear water tank is where you'll find the box where debris will accumulate when the dust separator door is open. To clean, simply remove the pin, open the door, and use a hose to clean the box. Some trucks are fitted with a rear door hopper deluge. To simply remove the pin, open the door, and use a hose to clean the box. If your Hypervac is equipped with optional rear pit hose for cleaning catch basins, this can be operated by selecting the option on the console and then remove the hose for whichever material you wish to vacuum. For moving between catch basins on short distances, the operator can choose to use the quick stow and go hook. If equipped, you'll find the drop-down screen knob at the rear right side of the truck, which allows the screen inside the hopper to lower automatically, making the hopper much easier to clean. You can also attach a hose to flush the hopper diffuser. Before attaching the hose, open the valve located behind the attachment point. Close the valve after use. The Hypervac also has large access doors to load larger material or inspect the hopper. This can be opened while cleaning. Also on the right side, you'll find the engine inspection door, in which you can quickly check the auxiliary engine oil and filters without raising the hopper. This feature allows all daily checks to be completed by the operator while standing safely on the ground. The air lines are color coordinated. Red indicates supply from the chassis air system, green lines are left side sweep, and yellow lines are right side sweep. Also on the outside of the Hypervac on the right side is the main control box, where you can find the air regulators and fuses. Avoid spraying high-pressure water directly on them. Using the external controls makes this function safer and more visual when dumping. The Y strainer is located on the right side of the truck. The Y strainer filters the water between the tank and the pump inlet. The filter status can also be checked on the manual indicator located next to the filter. The water fill is located on the right side of the truck. When the gauges on the display read full, you know you have both tanks at the correct level. The front spray bar is for dust control when the environment is dry with sand or light debris. For chassis, pre-trip inspections, please refer to the specific chassis model. Begin by starting the sweeper chassis engine and allow the air pressure to build up to normal. The air pressure gauges on this chassis instrument cluster will increase until there is sufficient air pressure to supply the sweeper. Next, turn the key on the left side of the sweeper control panel to the on position without starting the auxiliary engine. Next, engage standby. This will stop the audible beeping alarm and build air pressure in the sweeping components, causing the brooms and nozzles to lift from the ground. Note, this procedure must be followed regardless of whether you plan to sweep in your current location or transport the sweeper to another location to sweep. When you're ready to sweep, start the auxiliary engine. The RPM will increase to 1000. Press standby to release the gutter broom. The Hypervac monitor screen shows all the sweeper and auxiliary engine functions such as engine RPM, engine oil temp, hydraulic oil temp, hopper load height, leaf pickup, dust stripper, water levels, and DEF tank level. Along with the sweeper sweeping functions, GEO, down pressure, broom speed, right, left, or dual sweep, water, and lights. To set the sweeper up to sweep, you must first select left, right, or dual sweep by activating the standby lever. At this point, you can select a preset option, Sweeper Sense 1 through 6, or manually select options, or manually set up the Hypervac using the switch banks under the monitor. If you desire to use the 1 through 6 Sweep Sense options, these are set from the factory as follows: 1. Left medium, 2. Left heavy, 3. Dual medium, 4. Dual heavy, 5. Right medium, 6. Right heavy. To start sweeping, select either right, left, or dual operation. Then take it out of standby and you're ready to sweep. If you determine that you would prefer to have a preset that's adjusted differently than the original settings, you may have your Schwarze dealer unlock the presets and reprogram the preset by holding the preset down for 5 seconds, with the sweeper operating as you desire to have it adjusted. When complete, the selected operations will flash yellow on the switch banks. To determine the proper strike pattern, please consult the operator's manual. The center-center broom strike pattern can be adjusted by loosening the turnbuckle on each broom arm and tilting the broom forward or back to the desired angle to achieve the correct pattern. Here you can see the correct broom strike pattern for moving material to either the left or right head. Here are some additional tips. 1. Slow the brush speed and increase the RPM if you have extra heavy debris. 2. Lift the bottom door if your material is being plowed and not picked up. This will open up the vacuum area for bigger debris. 3. Be sure to drain the water tanks if the temperature will be below 40 degrees. Make sure you drain the water tanks and the filter. Thanks for watching this training video. Please review it from time to time as needed, and of course, for new operators.